Good morning to dear student. Today we will read a new chapter of English Reader. Chapter number 4. The chapter name is The Apple Tree. From Aesop's Fables by Brishti Bandhopadhyay. There was an old apple tree in a farmer's garden. Okay, there was an old apple tree. Okay, an apple tree which was very old in a farmer's garden. It could not be a fruit anymore. The tree could not be a fruit anymore. Could not be a fruit anymore means the tree was very old and so there were no apples growing on it. Means no fruit growing on an apple tree. But a large number of grasshoppers, squirrels, sparrow and other small birds and insects lived in the tree. But means a large number of animals and small insects and birds are living in that tree. Means the tree was their home. One day the farmer decided to cut down the tree. Okay, one day the farmer decided that he will cut the tree. The tree was become useless, but I can make some tables and chairs with the wood, he thought. He thought that the tree was useless, okay, no use, and he could make a chair and table with the wood of the tree. He took a sharp axe and struck at the roots of the tree. He took a sharp axe, and axe means kulhadi. He took a sharp axe and struck it means, it is written here, hit with a lot of force. Hit with a lot of force, बहुत force से मारना. Hit with a lot of force at the root of the tree. At once the birds and animals in the tree came out of their holes and nest. At once means suddenly. What happened? The tree vibrated because of the heat, and all the birds and the animals in the tree, they came out from the tree. Please save this tree, they begged the farmer. Please save the tree. All the birds and animals are begging the farmer. It's our only home, they cried. All the birds and all the animals are cried so much because it is their only home where they are living. But the farmer only struck harder at the roots. But the farmer is not stopped his axe and continuously struck at the root of the tree. We will sing to you as you work, said the sparrows. The sparrow said that if you will work when you are work on the garden or anything, we will sing for you. That will make you happy, said the squirrel. Squirrel said that will make you happy. You will feel happy if we will sing for you when you are working. But the farmer did not listen to them. He did not listen. But he is continuing striking the root of the tree. He went on striking at the tree harder and harder. Harder and harder he is striking at the root of the tree. He was in a hurry. He wanted to chop down the tree before noon. He is very much hurry because he wanted to chop the tree in up to noon. As a farmer raised his axe on one more time, he saw something in the hollow of the tree. It was a beehive. As the farmer raised, raised means lifted. As the farmer lifted his axe one more time, means one more when he tried to strike the tree, he saw something in the hollow of the tree. Hollow means a hole, an empty space. An empty space in a tree he saw something. What did he saw? It was a beehive. It was a beehive which he saw. Beehive means a house made by bees in which they live, lay eggs and keep honey. Means house of bees. He looked closer. He gone to closer to the hollow space of the tree and he looked at it. It was full of honey. The hollow place in the tree, it was full of honey. He tasted the honey. Start tasting the honey. It tastes so sweet, he said. What? The honey taste is sweet. So it tasted so sweet. So said the farmer, the tree is not useless after all. So the farmer said that the tree is not useless after all. After all means used to give a reason for something, means giving reason for something. So what are the reason that the tree is not useless? Because it has honey in it. If I take some honey now, the bee will make more. They won't go away from their home. Means he said that, or he think that if I take some honey now, okay, if he takes some honey, then the bees will make more. Okay, then they won't go anywhere and they stay there in their home. The home is that apple tree. Okay, listen, he said to the birds and animals. Okay, listen, he said, listen to the animals and the birds. I shall not cut down this tree. It is your home. Okay, you can live in peace now. And he threw away his axe. Okay, I shall not cut down the tree means he said that he will not cut down the tree. It is your home and you can live in this tree with peace. Okay, live in peace means be happy, have no fear or worry. Okay, means you can live in this tree with happily. Okay, and he threw his axes. The farmer isn't a kind man, said the grasshopper, squirrels and the sparrow. Okay, the grasshopper, squirrel and the sparrow said that the farmer is not a kind man. Okay, because he wanted the tree because there is honey in the beehives. Okay, he wanted the tree. Why? Because in the tree there is beehives. Okay, but they should shouted in joy. Okay, they all are, joy means they all are shouted in very happy mood. They are shouted. Their homes were safe. Okay, their homes means all the birds and animals home were that old apple tree, so it is safe now. Safe means not in danger. Okay, the tree was not in danger. Okay.